Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
How to clean the feet with baking soda. Many people struggle with dead skin on the feet, mainly due to lack of moisture on the feet. However, the dead skin on the feet can be caused by various other reasons, such as harsh soaps, which are packed with chemicals and damage the feet, standing for long hours, being overweight, some medical conditions, improper footwear. Fortunately, there are a wide range of methods to eliminate the dead skin on your feet and have smooth and nice looking feet. Thus, we decided to present you an all-natural and powerful remedy for your feet. Baking soda for smooth feet. Ingredients: 4-5 liters of warm water in a bucket, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, soft scrub sponge, brush, pumice stone, moisturizer, some lavender oil, optional. Instructions: first, dissolve the baking soda in the bucket filled with water. You can also add a couple drops of lavender oil. Then, soak your feet in the baking soda water for 15-20 minutes. Next, scrub the feet using a scrub brush, sponge or pumice stone. Make sure you rub the feet thoroughly. Then, pat dry the feet and apply a moisturizer or coconut oil. Put socks on your feet to seal the moisture in. The best thing you can do is wear the socks and leave the moisture to soak in overnight. Repeat this method once or twice a week. Moreover, you can try the following natural remedy for improving the health of your feet. Important tips for keeping the feet soft. Keep a pumice stone in your shower. Do some heavy-duty moisturizing. Don't forget to apply sunscreen. Let toes breathe. Avoid packaged food and sugar. Exfoliate the feet at least once a week.